I'm Lauren Espin, and you're listening to The Optimistic Outlook in 5. Earlier this year, Siemens celebrated a major milestone. More than $1 billion invested in U.S. manufacturing over the past 5 years, creating more than 2,200 new jobs. We also said that milestone wasn't the finish line. Now we're taking the next step. Siemens is announcing more than $200 million in new manufacturing investments in Georgia and Texas, creating more than 1,500 additional jobs and expanding production of the electrical infrastructure that's powering America's next era of industrial growth. Demand for critical electrical infrastructure is growing at an unprecedented pace. As America invests in AI infrastructure, cloud computing, and advanced manufacturing, demand is increasing for the technologies that safely and reliably distribute power. Meeting that demand requires more manufacturing capacity here in the United States. That's exactly what these investments are designed to deliver. A new manufacturing facility in Pendergrass, Georgia, will establish a U.S. manufacturing hub for low-voltage electrical infrastructure, serving the rapidly growing data center market. These products provide the safe, efficient, and scalable power delivery that modern electrical distribution systems depend on. An additional investment in Grand Prairie, Texas, will expand production of electrical products, serving industries ranging from semiconductor manufacturing to automotive production. Together, the two facilities will create more than 1,500 high-quality manufacturing jobs, with hiring beginning in Texas in 2026 and in Georgia in 2027. According to Siemens USA President and CEO Anne Fairchild, the United States has created a dynamic environment for companies to invest, innovate, and bring new technologies to market. She says, quote, "These investments underscore Siemens' commitment to scaling American manufacturing capacity and creating American jobs. There is unprecedented demand for critical infrastructure here in the U.S., and we're proud to continue to expand our footprint to meet our customers' needs while boosting the economies of the local communities in which we're growing." Georgia and Texas were also a deliberate choice. Barry Powell, president of Siemens Electrical Products business in North America, says the two states offer strong business environments, access to a highly skilled workforce, and close proximity to Siemens' existing operations and supply chain network across the South. He says, quote, "Building these facilities strengthens our ability to serve customers more efficiently while expanding advanced manufacturing capacity in a region that is already home to many of the technicians, suppliers, and industry expertise that support our business." The facilities also reflect Siemens' continued focus on sustainable, high-tech industry. Both sites will be 100% electrified from the start. The Pendergrass facility will feature electrical paint lines and advanced energy management systems, while the Grand Prairie site uses Siemens Digital Industries software to simulate production lines, logistics, and workstation planning before manufacturing begins. Manufacturing investments are long-term commitments. This announcement reflects Siemens' continued confidence in American manufacturing, American innovation, and the long-term growth opportunities ahead. Thanks for listening to The Optimistic Outlook in 5. Thank you for joining us on this episode of The Optimistic Outlook. Be sure to tune in for more conversations with leaders shaping technology for a better tomorrow. Please subscribe to The Optimistic Outlook wherever you listen to your podcasts, and be sure to share the podcast with a friend or colleague.